Hi, my name is Warner Lewis of the Harkov Lewis team, and I'm thrilled to bring you on a tour of this first ever resale of this line in the history of the building, 4D at 49 North 8th Street. What makes this apartment so incredibly appealing is the layout and this absolutely incredible protected view. Rarely, if ever, can we say a view is actually going to get better, but this view will. In the distance is the city storage, which is actually going to be taken down, making what is already an incredible view even better with huge sweeping northern views that currently are not here. But honestly, you don't even miss them right now, but when you have them, you will love them. The proportions of this apartment are what really draw me to the living space. You have an excellent area for your living room, perfect dining area in the corner with windows on both sides. There's nothing that I would want more, if I did cook, than to be cooking with this incredible view of the Empire State Building, Manhattan, the water, that is completely protected. Separate from the living room, you will find sleeping quarters starting with a beautifully updated powder room. The second and third bedrooms have oversized bright windows with large closets and are perfect as guest rooms, a home office, or den. The guest bathroom is luxurious with a soaking tub and custom subway tile. At the end of the hall, you will find the large and inviting master suite. The ensuite bathroom is spa-like with a glass-enclosed shower, oversized soaking tub, and a double vanity. This home also includes a deeded parking spot. 49 North 8th Street is a luxury building featuring a fitness center and part-time doorman. The building is located in the heart of everything that makes Williamsburg one of the most desirable neighborhoods to live in, and a never-ending selection of shopping, dining, and nightlife just blocks away. You will easily call 49 North 8th Street home. And the best amenity of all is the East River Park on your doorstep. This is yours anytime you want it, with the best views that Manhattan has to offer from Williamsburg. And I hope you have a chance to come see it. Do not hesitate to reach out to me or any member of the Harkov Lewis team, and we'd love to show it to you.